Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Omnisend, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you verify your email domain in Omnisend? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to verify your email domain in Omnisend anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business sending out cold emails, you know that you have to verify your email domain in order to send out emails and also start warming up the account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Omnisend dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Omnisend, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and connect your email domain, here on the left side, you're going to click on Store Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu right here, and you want to click on this button here called Email. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options, domains and email addresses. Make sure you've clicked on domains. Once you do that, you want to look for this turquoise button here called Add Sender Domain. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter in the domain name that you're going to be adding. Okay, once you've entered in the domain name, click on Continue down here on the bottom right. Okay, next Omnisend is going to give you an SPF record, a DKIM record, and a DMARC record. So you need to add these records into your domain provider. So that could be Bluehost, it could be Hostinger. If you need help finding the DNS records for your domain provider, that's going to be whoever you bought the domain from. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and jump on over to my domain provider. Okay, I went ahead and opened up my SiteGround. That's who my domain provider is for this website. So I'm going to go here to the DNS zone editor. It's going to be similar depending on what company you use, but basically you have to contact your company and then ask them how to get to the DNS zone editor. Okay, here I am in the DNS records. So I'm going to go ahead and get the information from Omnisend, and I'm going to create those 3 records here in my DNS zone. Okay, added the 3 text records into my DNS records inside of SiteGround. So now to confirm, I'm going to click here on Finish Verification. Okay, next it lets me know that my domain is being verified. So they're letting me know it could take 30 minutes, but sometimes it takes up to 48 hours. So I'm going to click on Done. Okay, next it brings me here to domains. So they let me know that it's in progress, and I'm going to receive an email once this domain where my email has been verified. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to verify your email domain in Omnisend, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.